Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's August and we're knee deep in the joys of summer. The insects are out getting all up in your face while trying to keep the plot or garden under control, and the hard work of the spring is starting to pay off with some tasty harvests. In this video I'm going to show you what can be done in the garden in the month of August. I'll start with harvesting this month. Some of the larger fruits and crops will be ready. This would include tomatoes, aubergine, courgette, cucumber, sweetcorn, peppers, plums and strawberries. With all of these, pick them when they're ready to encourage the plant to put its energy into the remaining fruits. Some roots will be ready too. You may have carrot, radish and potatoes. With these, pull one out of the ground to check on its progress, and even if they're not quite ready yet, don't forget to give them plenty of water at this time of the year. Some brassicas and leafy greens may be ready too, which includes lettuce, cabbage, chard, cauliflower, spinach, celery and rocket. You may also have some dwarf French beans. It's not really the best time of the year for sowing as it's pretty hot, but some crops can be sown this month. You have beetroot, sprouting broccoli, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, coriander, kohlrabi, lettuce, pak choi, spring onion, peas, radish, rocket, strawberries, sweet potato and turnip. Actually, that is quite a lot. And you can also still sow potatoes for an end of the year harvest. Follow the instructions on the packet for the spacings and try not to overcrowd your growing area. When we try to grow too much in a small area, we usually end up with lots of tiny or undeveloped fruits, which doesn't make a very satisfying meal. I showed my drip feeders in the last video, and after using them for a month they've made a massive difference to keeping my pots watered on really hot days. They also work great in hanging baskets. When watering, remember to drench your plants less often rather than a light sprinkle more often, and mulch the surface with hay or bark to protect the soil beneath. Even a thin layer of mulch makes a huge difference. Look out for butterflies looking for a safe place to lay their eggs, and consider protecting your seedlings if you're sowing this month. With all the sun and rain, your roses have probably gone a little wild over the past few weeks, so tie them in and fix any damaged supports so they don't get damaged in the wind. And do the same for any young fruit trees which are heavy with fruit. And that's a quick look at the things you can do in the garden this month. I've put some links to useful articles in the description if you need more information on any of the crops I've listed in this video. Do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you to my patrons for supporting the channel. If you want to get involved, a link is down in the description. If you have any questions about gardening this month, pop them in the comments and the community will help you if it can. Thank you all, have a wonderful August, and happy growing!